Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer EV charging logs from OBD to CSV, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer EV charging logs from OBD to CSV, you will first need your electric vehicle and an OBD2 adapter. Connect the OBD2 adapter to your vehicle's OBD2 port. Make sure the adapter is powered on and properly connected to your EV. Next, download an appropriate app on your smartphone or tablet that supports OBD2 data logging. Open the app and pair it with your OBD2 adapter via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Once connected, navigate to the section that allows you to access vehicle data. Locate the option for retrieving charging logs or related data. Select the desired time frame for which you want to download the charging logs. Start the data retrieval process and allow the app to collect the necessary logs from your vehicle. After the logs are collected, look for an export or save function in the app. Choose the export format as CSV. Select the location on your device where you would like to save the CSV file. Confirm the export, and the app will generate a CSV file containing your charging logs. Open the CSV file using a spreadsheet application to review and analyze your charging data. Make sure to check that all relevant information such as time, duration, and energy consumed are correctly logged. Your EV charging logs are now successfully transferred from OBD to CSV format. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.